Dear participants, warmest welcome from my side. And my name is Stanislav. I will be the chairman of today's official opening ceremony. And well, just before we start, let me briefly say a couple of words about the summer school. Actually, we've been planning this project, I would say, for more than a year, because initially it was planned as an on-site event. Then we had some COVID-19 restrictions, and finally we came to the solution that Essence Summer School will be held in online mode. But we had a lot of time to prepare the highly qualitative program of our summer school. And actually, what we've actually done is prepared a very rich educational program associated with the summer school and the lectures. Just 1 second. Okay, so I kindly ask the participants not to comment the online presentation. So let me just give me 1 second. Just 1 moment, please. Okay, so now we are ready to proceed with the presentation. Well, and as I have already said, so we've been planning a very rich program within the framework of Summer School Essence Project, and it's my great pleasure to be the chairman today. And it's my great pleasure to announce the official opening ceremony of Summer School Essence opened. As far as Essence Summer School is held and organized by the hosting university, by Ural Federal University, who is the member of Essence Consortium. First of all, let me introduce you a brief video about our university. Coming back to our official opening ceremony, we had several key speakers of our today's opening ceremony. And first of all, let me introduce you with the pre-recorded welcoming words, the Vice Rector for Academic Development of Ural Federal University, Andrei Vladimirovich Sazykin.
Hello everyone. I would like to welcome participants of summer school. It's great to have you here. And first of all, let me say a few words about our university. It's located in Russia on the border between Europe and Asia, in the city of Yekaterinburg. With a population of more than 1.5 million, Yekaterinburg is the fourth biggest city in Russia. Our university is also one of the biggest universities in Russia. We have more than 35,000 students. We have 11 institutes, which includes institutes of natural science and mathematics, institutes of technical physics, of information technology and radio electronics. We have strong power industry institutes, and we also have humanitarian and economical institutes. So our university have a very broad range of education and research. In the QS university rating, we are located on the 351 place, which is 11th position among Russian universities. Our strong point is collaboration with other universities, with universities from other countries and with industry. For example, in power industry, we have a strong collaboration with big Russian company Rosatom. We also have research and projects related to digital transformation with Interrao, with Rossetti and with ProSoft company. These projects are aimed at creating cyber-physical system in the power industry or digital twins of power station. We also have strong international education. We have more than 4,000 students. We have several master's programs which are taught in English, and several new programs related to smart energy and artificial intelligence in electrical and power engineering will be created this year. And we also have programs relatively short term for 1 and few months from summer and winter university. I hope you will enjoy the program of the school, and we would like to welcome you at our university in Yekaterinburg. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for such warm welcoming words. And now I would like to invite our next key speaker, Ms. Yana Vysotskaya. She is a director of International Educational Programs Department of Ural Federal University. Yana, you're welcome.
Thank you. Dear participants of the ESN Summer School and dear colleagues, it's actually a big pleasure for me to greet you today at the opening ceremony on behalf of the Department of International Educational Programs and on behalf of the Ural Federal University. A lot of efforts had been made by the consortium and the team of organizers to make this event happen, and I'm sure you will enjoy the program and activities prepared for you. International experience is a very important part of the future career of the educational and research development of business and industrial sectors, but the most important is the value that you will get. This value is the diversity of people you will meet through this experience, knowledge you will receive, and practice which will stay with you through all your personal and professional path. So I wish you always to be open to a new, always to be collaborative, and good luck.
Thank you very much, Jana, for such warm welcoming words for our participants. And the next person who has also prepared the welcoming words in video recording is Director of Ural Power Engineering Institute. Actually, it is a hosting institute for our summer school. And practically the organizing committee of our summer school mostly comes from Ural Power Engineering Institute. And I'm switching on the video from the director of this institute, Sergei Fedorovich Sarapov.
Dear participants, organizers, and guests of the Essence Summer School, I'm warmly welcoming you at Ural Federal University. Energy sector is an integral part of modern infrastructure. It's considered as one of the backbones of any country. It's widely recognized that today's power industry is facing energy transition. An energy transition designates a significant change for an energy system that could be related to one or a combination of resource use, system structure, scale, economics, and use behavior and energy policy. An example of transition towards sustainable energy is shifting to decentralized renewable energy and energy efficiency. Although so far these shifts have been replacing nuclear and coal-fired energy. Ural Power Engineering Institute is one of the biggest institutes at Ural Federal University, comprising 10 departments, 12 high-tech scientific and educational laboratories. We perform a wide range of educational, applied and scientific activities and are always on the front line of supporting global economic development. It's a great honor for us to be a part of the consortium leading Essence project, and twice an honor to open Essence International Summer School on behalf of the hosting university and hosting institute. I'm glad to welcome the most motivated students as well as respected experts representing the leading universities of the fuel and energy sector. I'm sure that all the teams will offer innovative solutions and will take a worthy place among the finalists of the summer school. I wish all the participants and guests of the summer school bright solution and productive collaboration. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Sergei Fedorovich. And before inviting the next speaker with the welcoming words, I would like to say that the program of the Essence project and actually the Essence Summer School was prepared by a consortium of 10 universities. And these 10 universities are united together under the flag of Essence project. And in our consortium, Riga Technical University, and namely Diana Zhalosteva, is our project coordinator, who provided tracking of the project through all of these years, starting from 2017. And my greatest respect and my greatest welcoming words to our project coordinator. Diana, please, you are welcome with the welcoming words.
Thank you, Stanislav, for such great words. And good day, dear participants, lecturers, mentors, and distinguished guests. As a coordinator of Essence Project, I am proud to be a part of this astonishing event. And I would like to thank our main organizer and virtual host, Ural Federal University, as well as each partner who has been involved in organizing of the summer school. And let's start with watching video about the project. As you could see, our project Essence is a curriculum development project initiated by a consortium of 10 universities from Latvia, France, Slovakia, Russia, and Vietnam. And our project is funded by the Erasmus Plus program of European Union, capacity building in higher education. The project's short-term aim is to establish innovative core curricula in smart energy system at Russian and Vietnamese partner universities based on specific assets of each consortium member in close cooperation with industry in line with Bologna process and European qualification framework. Whereas the long-term aim stays on overcoming the lack of qualified smart energy system engineers and boost smart energy systems development in Russia and Vietnam towards sustainable future. The main challenge was to identify the core curricula, since smart energy is developing rapidly and graduate students will have to be able to generate new knowledge to solve multidisciplinary tasks, to deal and implement technologies which are under development or even not developed at the moment. Based on the analysis of survey of academic staff, students, and industry representatives, the unique combination of 10 courses merging science, technology, engineering, and math were selected for the core curricula of smart energy. After development the teaching materials, the partner universities in Russia and Vietnam have started piloting and implementation by modernizing the existing or opening new programs. During the project life, additional spin-offs have been developed, such as new short-term online internships, academic mobility, and summer school on smart energy, based on our developed courses. And today, on our special attention is Essence Summer School. Let's start the journey and enjoy the summer school. I'm glad to welcome all participants, and I wish you all good luck.
Thank you very much, Diana. Actually, Diana has mentioned many important issues and features of our project, and actually we've done our best to project, yes, to transfer the best experience, the best educational results that we've got within the framework of Essence project. Yes, and well, now let me introduce a little bit, maybe in more detail, myself. My name is Stanislav Yaroshenko. I'm the leading lecturer of Ural Power Engineering Institute, and I'm the head of the summer school. And today and now, actually, we are smoothly passing to more detailed consideration of the summer school activities, which will be held starting from 5th of July, actually from today, till the very end, which will occur on 28th of July, 2021. Before we consider the content of the summer school in more detail, let me firstly introduce you some basic background. Actually, the first question arises, what is Essence Summer School? Actually, it is an extracurricular educational course, and within the framework of the summer school, the students are offered to solve a real-life smart energy problem using their already gained knowledge, skills, and competences within the framework of power industry, computer science, mathematics, practice. But actually, the case provides the real one challenge, yes, which actually is strongly related to the smart energy systems. And the main issues and the main parts that we are offering our student teams within the framework of the summer school, first of all, is free electronic learning course. And this course is combined of the practical oriented tasks of using Python for engineering programming. And this course is provided by one of the partners of our project, of our consortium, actually the Russian coordinator, Tomsk Polytechnic University. Within the framework of a summer school, we have prepared a series of online lectures, and actually all of the lectures are related to the educational content that was initially developed within the framework of the project, but all the lectures focus on the specific issues of the project case, which students will be offered to solve within the framework of the summer school. Of course, so there are some team working and maybe ice-breaking activities, and we plan presentation of final results obtained by all the teams participating in the summer school. We have prepared some valuable prizes for the winners, and so we expect you to show off your competences, your skills, your presentations, and first of all, we wish you good luck with this challenging activity. The summer school was prepared and organized by the consortium of 10 universities. The list of organizers is provided in the slide. Being more specific about the main content of the summer school, I would say that the core, the root of the summer school is the project case. We have prepared an industry-oriented challenge, which is based on real-life technological situation, dedicated to the development of smart energy system of a small district containing renewable energy sources, electrical network, and we expect you to deal with this challenge and find an effective solution. Smart Energy Systems educational program is composed of lectures which are pre-recorded and provided at the electronic educational platform of the university. And within the framework of the summer school, after the track dedicated to video lecturing, we have allocated online consultations. Online consultations will be carried out via Zoom platform as well. So you will have the unique opportunity to communicate with the lecturers and to ask the questions regarding the project case. And the last but not the least part is dedicated to soft skills activities. And so we have prepared 2 master classes. First one dedicated to the art of presentation and public speech. And the second one focuses on collaboration tools for students and team working in online environment, because it's of crucial importance in up-to-date world. Moreover, we have the summer school online, so we hope these master classes will be useful for you. One of the important questions within the framework of the summer school, so what is the project case? Actually, it is an industry-oriented problem based on really existing circumstances and operation conditions. The main goals and tasks associated with summer school project case are formulated as follows. First of all, the case is designed purely for educational purposes. As far as it was based on real-life data, but we anyway have prepared some synthetic values and indicators to make the case more educational directed. Yes, but anyway, these problems do exist in real power systems, and the grid companies, the power system utilities face these problems nowadays. The case is created to assess the students' knowledge in the field of smart energy systems. What's very important, and I want to stress your attention here, just a few words about case solution. First point, it's very important. There are no correct and incorrect solutions of the project case. The correct solution is the solution which you present, and you are able to defend the solution, to present it in front of the expert board. So, and if you manage the presentation, if you are successful with the presentation of the summer school case, it means that your solution is correct. Well, as follows from the previously said words, so the case may have many alternative solutions. And within the framework of final project presentation, the experts board is expected to assess the technical background, students' team's qualifications, and the quality of the presentation as well. We provided some initial data for this project case. This initial data is a priority in terms of using this data for the project case solution, but please be aware of using suspicious information sources, because we are really encouraging you and recommend you to use official data sources which are allocated at the manufacturers' websites, governments like European Commission, maybe some information at Russian Ministry for Power and Energy, etc. So please use official data sources in order you have the opportunity to make a reference to these verified official data sources. Being more specific about the content of the project case, it combines 4 major blocks. The first block is dedicated to photovoltaic power plant equipment selection. So within the framework of the case, you will be given some initial data, including installed capacity of the power plant, but you are expected to choose solar panels, inverters, converters if necessary, and to provide the cost estimation of photovoltaic power plant construction. The next part is associated with implementation of machine learning methods, and you are expected to solve the problem associated with photovoltaic power plant day-ahead forecasting. So we all know that solar energy is, I would say, unpredictable, and we want you to make it predictable and to create such a model with the greatest possible accuracy, providing us with a reliable prediction of PV output for the day-ahead perspective. The third part is dedicated to optimal reconfiguration of the distribution network. The main idea is, as far as you have the day-ahead forecast of the photovoltaic power plant, it means that from hour to hour, PV power plant changes its production, its generation of electrical energy. And for each hour of the day, depending on the state of photovoltaic power plant generation, you're expected to select the best possible configuration of the power network to minimize the losses, minimize the deviations of voltage levels, etc. So this part focuses on optimization problems related to the operation mode of the power system. And the last but not the least, maybe the most complicated part of the case, deals with digital control of smart grids. And the students are expected to design the architecture and distribution feeder information and communication infrastructure in order to create the automation for automatic control of the configuration of the distribution network. Just a few words about timing. So today, maybe late today, so we will provide the access to all of the educational activities of the all the educational materials of the summer school, including the video lectures and the project case as well. So starting from this day, the case solution is started as well. Actually, you may start solution of the case right now. Today as well, we start the educational program, so we open access to the video lectures. And you are free to use this video lectures every time you like. So you may watch all of the video lectures simultaneously or distribute this watching during the several days. Again, starting from 5th of July till 26th of July, the mentoring program is also initiated. And so the student teams will be assisted by the highly qualified mentors from the hosting university in order to provide the best possible solution of the project case. And finally, on 27th and 28th of July, we'll have these 2 days to present the results of the project case solution. Actually, we have allocated 2 days for project presentation because we have very significant differences in time between our participants, and the maximum time difference, if I'm not mistaken, is about 8 hours. For this reason, we try to allocate some short slots in order to provide the most convenient time for all of the participants of the summer school. Just a few words about who's a mentor. A mentor is a person, maybe not one, maybe two, But anyway, a mentor is a highly qualified professional in the sphere related to the case project, so in the sphere of smart energy systems. And from the point of view of the student teams, the mentor is the source of knowledge and answers for the students. A mentor inspires and stimulates professional development within the framework of the summer school, so starting from 5th of July till 26th of July. The mentors are allocated in order to assist and inspire the teams to plan face-to-face meetings, provide consultations for Python and coding, provide consultations for project case solution. Anyway, the mentors set the rules and scope of interaction. I'm addressing my words to all of the students participating in the summer school, and well, today or maybe maximum tomorrow, please keep in touch with your mentors. So maybe the mentors will keep in touch with you. So, and I kindly ask you to respond all possible social networks and to accept the invitation to the group chats, because this group chat may be the group chat of your student team with the mentor. So please be attentive and keep in touch with your mentors. Just a few words about the final presentation of the project case results. And so we have allocated a several hours time slot at the very ending of the summer school, but the students are expected to be quite brief within the framework of presenting their results, and the prepared presentation is expected to be no more than 10 minutes. So you are recommended to present the results such a team. So if you want to allocate one speaker, it's up to you. And after the first 10 minutes of your presentation, we have 5-minute slot for the questions from the expert board, and I would say your opportunity, yes, so your skill in answering the questions relating to the project case will also be assessed within the framework of assessing all the team presenting their results. This table actually is closely related to the project case. Well, anyway, you have not received the case assignment now, but as I have already told you, the project case has 4 major blocks. First one is PV power plant equipment selection, then forecasting, then dynamic reconfiguration of distribution network, and finally digital control and automation. All the parts are divided into some subtasks, sub-parts, and actually the grades, yes, are allocated for these subtasks in order to provide you the understanding of what you are expected to solve within the framework of the case solution at minimal. Yeah, so it means that as far as smart grid digital control is one of the really advanced and challenging parts of the project case, so it deserves grade A, excellent. But anyway, if the student team does not cope with this part for some reason, so anyway, this student team is allowed to present their results at the final presentation on 27th and 28th. But anyway, if you have the solution of this part, so it means that you will be given a higher marks, higher rates in the final rating of the summer school, and you have the greater probability to get the winner prize of our summer school. The video lectures of the summer school are prepared for 9 disciplines, actually, which were developed within the framework of Erasmus Plus Essence project. At this slide, you see the logos of the universities who developed these lectures and provided you a high-level educational content, which will be provided in the form of the video lectures on the electronic platform of Ural Federal University. Well, let me briefly introduce you the lecturers who are involved in the process of summer school. Actually, these lecturers will also provide you with some tutorials and consultations in the corresponding parts of the schedule of the summer school. So please know your heroes in face, and let's move forward. As I have already mentioned, the summer school teaching materials are prepared in the form of the documents, video aids, yes, and video lectures. All of these online courses and all of the documents related to the summer school project case as well, including the initial data, everything will be provided through the electronic learning system of Ural Federal University. So previously, before the official opening, all the students were expected to get an email with the login and password. So please, for those who did not, for some reason, get the email with the login details, please check your mailbox carefully. If you did not receive, please send us a feedback to the Telegram chat, and we will send you all the necessary details as soon as possible. Within the framework of the summer school, we have, I would say, a sub-course dedicated to artificial intelligence and machine learning application in smart energy systems. And so we will focus on data pre-processing and visualization. We will focus on supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, and we'll provide you some aids related to the project case as well, and some other applied machine learning challenges in the sphere of power industry. Another very important activity of the summer school is the Python for Engineering course. And actually, this course is complementary for the students. But anyway, for those who pass this course with the corresponding rate, with the corresponding mark, the Tomsk Polytechnic University will provide a diploma verifying that you have the corresponding necessary Python programming skills. And let's move forward to the schedule of our summer school. Anyway, all the video content dedicated to video lectures will be available simultaneously, so please feel free to manage your time by your own. But initially, we planned the following consequence of the video lectures to be mastered by the student teams, starting from 6th of July. Together, yes, in parallel, starting from 6th of July till 23rd of July, you will have the opportunity to attend this Python for Smart Energy Systems Engineering course. And finally, you will be able to get the diploma. Just a few words, actually, because within the framework of the summer school, the hosting university, Ural Federal University, will provide you with the corresponding diploma as well. So please feel free to use it in your scientific and educational portfolio. Online consultations by the lecturers will take place starting from 19th till 23rd of July. Then we have some weekends, yep, and starting from 27th, yes, and 28th of July, we'll have the team presentations of the project and official closing ceremony with announcement of winners, yes, and award ceremony as well. As I have already told you at the very beginning, we are aiming not only to provide hard skills devoted to smart energy systems, but we do care about soft skills development of our student teams as well. For this reason, we have prepared 2 master classes. The first one dedicated to online communication, online collaboration tools, including communication and documentation tools, project management tools, data visualization tools, and learning apps, etc. So please feel free to use this content in order to get the best possible output from online collaboration between the team members participants. And the second masterclass is dedicated to presentations and public speech. So we'll cover graphic design and online presentation tools, public speech, online speech, which is a little bit different from public speech when you present live. And we'll focus on teamwork, on presentation and team speech as well. Within the framework of our summer school, we have created many information channels, and please feel free to select which you like the most. The official groups of the summer school do exist at Facebook, Instagram. Moreover, in Telegram, we have the group chat. For this reason, if you have any questions related to summer school organization, maybe access, some technical problems, whatever, please feel free to ask your questions in Telegram chat. And the organizing committee of the summer school will do its best, yes, to resolve your questions in the shortest possible time. Well, actually, I've finished with the presentation of the summer school activities, covering the content, the organization, the timing. It was my great pleasure to serve as the chairman of today's ceremony, and I would like to thank one more time all of the participants, all of the guests who have attended our official opening ceremony today, and my special thanks to the key speakers, and my greatest thanks to all of the students participating in our unique Essence Summer School. So on behalf of the organizing committee, on behalf of the hosting university, let me announce the Essence Summer School opened. Thank you for applause. And thank you one more time for attending our today's official opening ceremony. Hope to see you soon within the framework of Essence Summer School activities. Bye-bye. See you.